So you brought me all the way out here just to do this. And you don't have a dog? Alright, it's not our first rodeo. Burnt Mill Road, the lost dog. So hopefully, if you guys watch this video, don't flag me. I'm shouting you out. Matter of fact, let me click the channel. Burnt Mill Road. Oh, they made the fisherman? Yo, this is giving me the chills. I'm bugging. Okay, so these are all videos that Burnt Mill Road made or promoted. Yeah, we get into the fisherman. If you guys have any other videos that you want me to react to, let me know. Especially if you made it, let me know so I can help you guys. Help me help you. You made the video, so I'm gonna help other people see the video so they can get to see your other content. Yeah, we get into the video right now. The lost dog. Burnt Mill Road. I kind of like that name though. It's kind of dope. It's like Nightmare on Elm Street or something.
I can't believe she just ran off.
Anyone else coming to help?
Nah. You're the only one who responded.
Hold up. I don't like his face. Like he looks like a douchebag. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. He looks like a douche, yo. He looks like he does this shit for purpose. He does this shit on purpose, yo. Look how he's walking. Right, is that a mullet?
Lucy.
He's definitely a douchebag. He got a mullet.
Let's go down there. She always likes to
Oh,
be
it's a
down
ponytail.
there.
It's 50-50.
How'd she even get down here? Lucy.
So this is all to find a dog? What's he doing?
Aaron?
What the hell is he doing? Like he look like he bust the biggest nut in his life.
They're so nice, man.
What's he talking about? I don't think we that close, bro. So you brought me all the way out here just to do this. And you don't have a dog? Whatever kinky stuff that you're into, I'm not into it. I'm out of here. So you know what? I'm gonna end it right there. I'm out. I'm not dealing with this shit. I'm just saying, you brought me all the way out here and you don't have a dog. Then you're on the ground crawling, telling me you don't have a dog. So what kind of weird, kinky, furry stuff are you into? Bro, I'm kicking you in your shit, bro.
I've never
You
had
got teed down.
Oh, you're too nice, though.
It's a werewolf or something?
You should run now, lad. Before it's too late.
Lad. Irish or something? I'm just gonna walk, huh? I told you some kinky stuff. He say he liked the chase. That's what he's telling you. He liked the chase. If you run, he's gonna chase you. Oh. His head look like it's floating. Oh no. You gotta have something. You gotta have a knife, a gun, nightstick, something. Ew, bro. Where your hair go? Oh, yo. That's why black people don't go in the woods. We learned that a long time ago. Red Robin Hood. You thought. This is kinky. This is this is not bad. This is actually good though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This is actually a good video. The lost dog. I would expect them to be a werewolf or something, right? Just to make it a little bit, since it's called lost dog, at least something dog related, not just looking for a dog, but at least something furry, you know. I guess he was furry, so I don't know. So let me know if you guys have any ideas of what you want to see next. This is Oktoberfest, Hulu Fest, whatever. So y'all have any videos, let me know so I can check it out before Halloween starts. I am Aruggamuffin. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Check out my other channels or just look at my playlist and see what you like. And my God.